Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Roblox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Roblox, start by researching the company. Understand what Roblox does and how its platform operates. Familiarize yourself with the gaming industry and market trends. Check if Roblox is publicly traded. If it is, look up its stock symbol and current price. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that fits your investment needs. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. Once your account is funded, search for Roblox's stock to purchase. Decide how many shares you want to buy. Review the order details before finalizing your purchase. Consider a limit order to control the price at which you buy. Keep an eye on Roblox's financial health by reviewing their earnings reports. Monitor the overall market and Roblox's performance regularly. Stay informed about news and developments related to Roblox. Think about your long-term investment strategy and goals. Be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risks. Evaluate the potential risks and rewards associated with your investment. Assess your investment periodically and adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.